Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Snowflake White Pearl 2015 Mazda 6i Grand Touring, stock number A7198. There are factory fog lights up front. The hood is in pristine condition. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Dunlop tire. And inside you have a power sunroof. There is a tan leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 up front, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Mazda 6. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here in the back. You've also got a backup camera and keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. You do have an all-weather cargo mat, and the second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Mazda today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and buttons here for memory seating. This is equipped with traction control. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. There is a push-button start here. Coming over to the center, there's a great touchscreen display, which is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have dual climate controls and buttons for heated front row seating. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. You're going to get great gas mileage in this. For highway mileage, you're looking at around 38 miles per gallon. You do have some additional audio and nav controls here. And then coming to the rear view mirror, you can see that this is also equipped with HomeLink garage door opener buttons. If you'd like to get more information on this Mazda or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.